Engaged lessons for the 21st century.
Common Core, 2nd grade, number and operations in base 10. Understand place value. This is an engaged video created by Willoughby Eastlake Schools. If you are presently using a smartboard, please remember to save the video first, then open it up with Smart Video Player. If you would please, have a student come up to the smartboard for the very first problem. Thank you. Problem 1. Write how many hundreds, tens, and ones you would have to make up this number. For example, how many hundreds do we have here? 1, 2. Well then, how many tens do we have that add up to the 200s, and how many ones do we have that would add up to 200s? Repeat the same procedure for the problem at the bottom. If you would please, pick up a pen to solve this problem. Okay, let's look carefully. We have 100 and 200 as we said before. But how many tens are there? And how many ones to equal that? Well, if it's 200, we would need 20 tens and we would need 200 ones. So, in reality, let's look at this logically. If somebody was going to give you two $100 bills, that would be easier to handle than 20 tens and much easier to handle than 200 ones. Let's look at the second problem. How many hundreds are there? So that would be equal to how many tens and how many ones? Again, you should have had 6 hundreds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's equal to 60 tens and also 600 ones. If your answer matches ours, that is fantastic. If you would please, have another student come up to the smartboard while you erase your answers. And thank you. Problem number 2. We are going to look at values. You'll notice we have a number here that's underlined. Please circle the value of which one of these three numbers represent the 9, the 5, and the 3. If you would please pick up a pen to solve this problem. Okay, let's look at the first one. 972. So we should have drawn a circle around the 900. This one says 265. So we should have drawn a circle around the 5. And the last one, 673. What is the value of the 7? If you circled the 70, you are correct. So the 9 is equal to 900. The 5 is equal to 5 ones. And the 70 is equal to 77 tens, or 70. If you would please, pick up an eraser and erase your answers. And while you're doing that, let's have another student come up to the smartboard for the very next problem. Thank you. Okay, in problem 3, what we are going to do is write the number. Here you notice it's written out. 8 hundreds, 7 tens, and 5 ones. Please write the number here in its short form. Here is 5 hundreds, 2 tens, and 1 ones. Please write that number here. If you would please pick up a pen to solve this problem. Okay, let's see what we have. You should have written 875. And for 5 hundreds and 2 tens and a 1, you should have written 521. If your answers match ours, that is superior. If you would please, have another student come up to the smartboard while you erase these answers. Thank you. We are looking at the very last problem. Alex's school collected 768 cans of food for a food drive. Write how many hundreds, tens, and ones are in the number 768. Please write those answers here, here, and here. And if you would, please write the expanded form for 768 below. If you would, please pick up a pen to solve this problem. Okay, here's what we should have. We should have 7 hundreds, 6 tens, and 8 ones. 7 hundreds, 6 tens, and 8 ones. And when you write the expanded form, it'd be 7 hundreds, 6 tens, and 8 ones. If your answer matches ours, that is wonderful, dazzling. If you would please erase your smartboard, and we'd like to thank you again for working with us with the Common Core.